Hello, how you doing? Gonna make a really simple chicken pasta salad today. I've got some leftover chicken from a roast dinner, so I'm gonna use it up. So let's go. So what I've got here is about 2 cups of cooked chicken. I've got a cup of cheese. I've got a mixture there of 2 types of cheddar. 3 cups of pasta. I'm using fusilli. And then you can add whatever you like there. I've got, half a cup of onion, a cup of sweet corn, half a cup of bell pepper, half a cup of tomato and some Parmesan cheese. But you can get anything on the go here. So mixing bowl, let's drop in our pasta of choice. We're going to get in that chicken, which I kind of just shredded up with my hand. Like I said, that was left over from a roast dinner. Bit of bell pepper in there. I mean, you can think about putting some fresh chili in here maybe. A little bit of tomato. I've got some nice cherry tomatoes there. Sweet corn. This is from a can. You can use frozen if you want, or if you're lucky enough, use fresh. Onion, I always like a bit of onion in my stuff. I'm using a white onion, not as strong. A little bit of Parmesan cheese in the mix. And then, like I say, I've got there 2 types of cheddar cheese. You can just use whatever. You can grate it if you want. I've just made it kind of fairly chunky by chopping it. So we're going to mix it up, and then we're going to just make a really simple dressing here. So I've got like 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of lemon juice or lime juice, then a bit of salt and pepper, and then for me, I'm going to be adding in some chopped parsley. A chopped herb of any kind is absolutely beautiful in there. And then a little bit of mustard. I'm using English mustard, which is really actually quite strong, but use a Dijon or something like that if you want. I like the strongness, the nice toughness of the English mustard, being an Englishman. We're going to give that a mix. We're going to put that onto the mixture that we've just put in the blue bowl. Job done. That's it. Nice, simple, easy salad. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe. You keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Oh, and by the way, please do, if you can, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, just say hello or something, whatever you like, and subscribe. It just helps the algorithm out a hell of a lot. See you later.